So hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Nyechi Chiemela. I'm a skin enthusiast and a public health lover. I'm also the founder of Shanora Skincare and Enterprises. So do well to subscribe to this channel, because here I review skincare products. I share my knowledge on the things that I know and things I think you should know also. I give you an idea of any skincare product before you purchase them or before you go buying it. So that's what I do basically here on my channel, and so much more you shouldn't want to miss. So do yourself and do me a favor by subscribing down below and giving this video a big fat, see my hand, fat thumbs up. Let's begin. So on today's video, I will be sharing with you guys my top 5 whitening active powder combination. So if you're a skincare formulator, or you're a passionate skincare lover like I am, or you're a skincare enthusiast or skincare educator like I am, please make sure you listen and make sure you watch the video till the end, because you should not miss this, especially if you're a skincare formulator. I'm going to share with you guys my top 5 whitening active powder combinations combo. Yes, if you want to make a lotion or a base cream that would also whiten or lighten the skin, this video is for you. I'm going to tell you guys amazing skincare powders for your skincare formulation. See you, let us get straight into today's video. And darling, make sure you watch the video till the end, it's very important. All right, so let's dive right into the video right away. So my very first whitening powder combination is alpha arbutin powder and licorice powder. Combining alpha arbutin with licorice. Yes, if you're trying to make a base cream that also has a whitening component in it, or a skin lightening component in it, licorice is a natural plant extract and it has beneficial and herbal effects, beautiful uses. Alpha arbutin is also gotten from other plant extracts. So if you can get alpha arbutin powder and licorice powder, you will have an amazing, that your product, that your lotion that you're formulating will come out top notch. According to research, alpha arbutin has been used in place of hydroquinone and is a natural substitute for hydroquinone, and overall with time it will give you that flawless skin that you want. So when it comes to skin lightening or trying to get dark spots and hyperpigmentation, a lot of dermatologists recommend alpha arbutin serums and alpha arbutin lotions or creams. So in case you're formulating, you're a skincare beginner, a skincare formulator, you're beginning your journey when it comes to skin when it comes to product formulations, and you're looking for a powder or an ingredient to use to make your lotion, and most especially you want your lotion to be something that can clear dark spots and hyperpigmentation, try this combination, alpha arbutin powder and the licorice plant powder. Yes, the white licorice extract, yes, the one that is white. There's a brown one, but there's a white one too, and the white one is amazing. So try this if you're formulating your body lotion or you're formulating for somebody for sale. Try this combination and I'm very sure you'll get fantastic results. So the second whitening powder combination that I definitely love, and I also want you to try out if you're a skincare formulator or you're trying to formulate your own body lotion, skin lightening body lotion or body cream, is Kojic acid powder and niacinamide powder. Yes, niacinamide can also be called vitamin B3. So if you can combine Kojic acid and niacinamide powder in your lotion while formulating your lotion, that is also fantastic. It will also give you this natural whitening effect on your skin. So this is another amazing skin whitening powder combination that I would recommend for you guys if you're a skincare formulator or if you're passionate about skincare formulating in general. So the third on our list is niacinamide, which is vitamin B3 again, and N-acetylglucosinamide. Yes, N-acetylglucosinamide is an amazing combination, especially if you also want to make a whitening or a lightening body lotion. This is for skincare formulators. This video is for somebody that wants to formulate a skincare product. So and you're confused, you don't know the whitening powders to use. N-acetylglucosinamide and niacinamide powder will give you an amazing flawless skin. So that is also the third on our list of whitening powder combinations. So let's move to our fourth whitening powder combinations for a skincare formulator to try out, especially if the person wants to make a skin whitening body lotion or body cream. Now, Sim White and tranexamic acid is also an amazing combination out there. Yes, Tranexamic acid is a triosinase inhibitor, and over time, in fact that one works faster. It is going to stop the melanin production in that area of your skin. So tranexamic acid, if you've been on YouTube for a long time, a lot of dermatologists prescribe or talk about precisely tranexamic acid and alpha arbutin as a combination to lighten dark spots and get off, overall even out your skin tone and brighten it, and maybe whiten it also. So if you can get Team White powder and tranexamic acid powder for your formulation, you have got an amazing combo on your hand, like by your side. These two whitening powders will give you the best results ever, guaranteed, tested and tried. Try it and thank me later, because it is amazing. So the fifth on our list is Sabi white powder and Kojic acid dipalmitate. This is an amazing skin whitening powder combination. So Kojic acid dipalmitate is a stable form of kojic acid, yes, but kojic acid in general is more effective than kojic dip. In case you don't know, and maybe you want to walk into a skincare supply store and you don't know how, maybe you call kojic acid dipalmitate and they're looking at you like, what is she saying? Just call kojic dip. Kojic dip is also nice. So if you can get Sabi white and kojic acid dipalmitate while formulating your body lotion or body cream, that is also an amazing skin whitening powder combination for your skincare product. And that takes us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this, kind of like answering certain questions, because months ago a subscriber of mine asked me something about powder combination and all these things, and I took my time. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, because it takes a whole lot of research to put out content here on YouTube for you guys. So in order to appreciate me and appreciate the channel and encourage me to put out more content like this and many more, please subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. So in case you're yet to purchase my new skincare products, I recently launched a line, yes, and it's made of 2 products for light skin people. So in case you don't want to go ahead and formulate products, you want an already made skincare products, I've got you covered. Make sure you check out Shanora_skincare_NG on Instagram, or check out the description box in case you want to purchase my products. I'm going to leave our customer care number there so you can purchase our products, contact and purchase our products. I love you and see you next time. Bye.